Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use the having clause in MS SQL. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first go to your SQL server. First we will create a database giving a name BMC. Just simply select and execute it. So our table is created. Sorry, our database is created. Now we will create a table. So write your table, create table name client underscore table, open a bracket, semicolon, right here C CID begin, comma, C name, varchar 50, comma, C city, varchar 50, C price, float. Now just simply select and execute it. Now we will insert few data. So right here insert into, write your table name, value, open a bracket, open a bracket, inside that write 1 comma name Viraj, uh-huh, Viraj, comma Mumbai, comma C price will be 15,000, insert few more data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, name Raj, Delhi, 10,000, here 12, name will be Anil, city Pune, then Sunil, city Mumbai, 9,000, here I will write 11 and down 116, name will be Shreyas, Ajay, just simply select and execute it. Now right here select star from your table name, client table, execute it. So all data will be shown, whatever we have inserted. Now I will show you two examples related to your having clauses. So right here select count, open a bracket, right inside CID as ID, comma city from line table group by city. Now here I will use a having count CID will be greater than 1 comma. Just simply select and execute it. So it shows for Mumbai which is greater than 1, that is Delhi 1 and Pune is 1 and all others are from Mumbai, so it is showing the count greater than 1, that is Mumbai. Another example, right there select count from group ID having clause, right here order by count CID. Descending order. Just simply select and exit. It will also show the same result, that is ID 4 and Mumbai 4 for Mumbai. So in this way you can use your having clause. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye.